Hi, Nursing 509, Dr. Kim Paxton here. In week number 2, we're going to be applying the information that we learned in week number 1 here in week number 2 in relationship to cellular changes and how those changes can mediate pathological and physiological changes in the cell and affect the human body. The focus this week is going to be on cancer awareness. Cancer is one of the main mediating factors of cellular change, both genetically and environmentally, that can produce cancer in the human body. As you can see from this slide, there are several different types of cancers that the body can succumb to. We'll be discussing a few of those and reviewing them in the videos that I provided you, but also in the text that you'll be reading today. You'll be completing this week the objectives you're reading. I have some really nice videos, a few interactive games. You do have a CLC discussion this week, and you do have a study assessment that you will need to complete. In your CLC discussion, I'm asking you to please choose a product or an additive that can potentially cause genetic changes or even produce cancer. I'd like you to please research this online, find a product or a potential additive to food products or to makeup that can do this. Once you've identified this product, I'd like you to answer the 3 questions that I have listed here. When it comes to the educative part, I'm asking you to please be a little expansive. Don't just say I would tell them not to use it because it causes cancer. But tell me why. Why wouldn't they use it? What kind of cancer it can cause, which goes back into your question number 1. And then is there an alternative product that they could possibly utilize instead of the product that you have identified? And then what is your key assessment takeaway of this assignment? If you have any questions on what I'm asking you to do for this discussion, please make sure you're asking me for clarification. Your study assessment for Module 2 is going to focus on chapters 12 and 13. The questions are sequentially placed, beginning at the beginning of chapter 12 and ending with chapter 13. You have 15 questions worth 36 points. If you have any questions in relationship to what the questions are asking or how to complete this assignment, please make sure you're contacting me. Any questions in relationship to this week's modules, I encourage you to please make sure you're asking the question or texting me. I'll be working with you online this week. I hope you have a great week. Talk to you next time.